Mississippi Rock is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance. There are no tags or restarts in this dance. The teach and count. We're going to start with the weight on the left. Section 1, we're going to rock forward on the right, recover on the left. Now we're going to do a 3/4 turn shuffle to the right. So we're going to do a half a turn right, step left together, and another quarter turn right, facing 9 o'clock. We're going to rock forward on the left, recover on the right, and a left shuffle back. The count for section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The weights on the left, we're facing 9 o'clock. Section 2, we're going to do a right shuffle back, a half a turn shuffle left, step forward on the right, a half a pivot turn left, and another half a turn shuffle left, ending with the weight on the right, facing 3 o'clock. The count for section 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The weights on the right, we're facing 3 o'clock. Section 3, we're going to rock back on the left, recover on the right, left shuffle forward. We're going to step forward on the right, kick left, step back on the left, and touch right next to left. The count for section 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The weights on the left, we're facing 3 o'clock. Section 4, we're going to do a Lindy to the right. So it's a side chasse to the right side, rock left behind, recover on the right. Now, a quarter turn right and step back on the left, another quarter turn right and step right to right side, and cross shuffle left over right in front. So the count for section 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The count from the beginning. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.